Looks like a scene from another planet, right? But this isn't sci-fi. This is Kawah Ijen, Indonesia's most mysterious volcano. At night, you'll see something magical, blue fire glowing in the dark. It's one of the only two places on Earth where you can see this natural phenomenon. And during the day, local miners climb deep into the crater, carrying up to 70 kilograms of sulfur, all by hand. It's one of the toughest jobs in the world. And that turquoise lake? Beautiful but deadly. It's actually the largest acidic lake in the world. From fire that burns blue to a lake that glows green, Kawah Ijen is proof that nature can be both beautiful and dangerous. Would you dare to visit this place?